definitely a cloudy, rainy, typical Portland day, but the lighting was so beautiful. It looked like liquid gold. And now me and Cadence are on our way to Neskowin, where there's a really cool petrified forest of stumps in the ocean. They're Sitka spruce, and they're about 2,000 years old. You can only see it at low tide, and low tide is at 10:46 a.m. today, so we didn't even have to rush to get there. We're kind of just taking our time, trying to escape some of the rain and drive down the coast to this other place that she lives in, a small beach town called Baldport. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with these ferns.
So check this out.
That's so cool.
Keep the slug on the inside.
Yeah, where is it? Oh, where'd it go?
There he is. Hi, sluggy boy. Oh my god. Wow.
Oh my god. Ooh. See, this is magic. I'm like obsessed. Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Wow.
Heart of the forest. And then look at
It's
this big
amazing.
fern boy. What's up, my dude? Hi, I love you.
We're 2 seconds in and I'm having a time, mate. Babe, this is amazing. Ah!
Oh my god.
It's not real. That's fucking fake. Wow. Is that the way we go? Down there? This might be one of the coolest things I've ever, like, coolest hikes I've ever done.
And like you come out of this like little forest grove with like
Yeah, just
pine needles and green moss.
Wow. Woo! Like the only people here. Ah! Wow, that might have been one of the best experiences I've had in nature in my life, I think. That trail had everything. It had rainforest, dunes, the beach, and then like an alpine type forest. I mean, it doesn't get better than that, really. I want to live by the ocean, but in the mountains. It's like perfect here. There's so much abundance, so much green. Everything just feels like it's completely thriving within itself and with everything around it. I think that this place is perfect. I haven't spent a lot of time on the Oregon coast, but I think that I will be coming back here a lot. I just felt such at peace with myself. I always feel connected to nature, but after being home for a little while, it makes you really appreciate the things that you might see every day. So it felt great to be a kid again and just run around and scream and laugh, jump in the ocean. I was like bent on jumping in the ocean. It was the coldest water I've ever gone in my life. Holy crap. We looked at what the temperature was the day before we went and it said it was 48 degrees. I was like, I can do it, no problem. As soon as the water hits you, it's like the most invigorating and painful and exhilarating feeling. And you just have to keep going because there's no turning back from that point. There's something about running into the ocean that just makes me feel so alive, even if I'm so cold that I can't stop. I love the water so much. I don't want to leave. I feel like I've been looking for this feeling in my life for over a good year now, and I'm finally starting to tap into being happy, being by myself, which I couldn't tell if I was gonna get that, honestly, for a while there. I've always loved being in nature, especially since I moved out to California. But I always thrive in enjoying it with other people, and I feel like I'm actually turning over a new leaf of cherishing it for myself, by myself. And if people are there, it's even better. But I'm able to be here with myself and just really love it. So there's that.